Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python predefined functions, bool, bytes, callable. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is an indented block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the functions. A function is used to divide a large program into small modules. Technically, we call it as modular programming. A function can be defined once and called any number of times. A function eliminates repetition of code and saves wastage of memory in our program. So functions are of two types. So first one, predefined functions, which come with predefined libraries or modules and available in Python software. For example, print function, range function, input function. Second one, user defined functions. So these functions are defined by the user as per the requirement in a Python program. So now coming to the predefined functions, bool. So bool function, it will convert other data type values into Boolean value, that is true or false. So here we have to pass bool of other data type value. Next, bytes function, it returns bytes collection object, which means converts other collection of data to bytes collection data type object. For example, bytes of hello collection of characters will be converted into bytes collection. Callable function, it returns true if given object is callable, otherwise false. So here we have to pass callable of object reference name. So let us try to demonstrate these three functions with a small program. Python functions example 12. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So first coming to bool function. So we'll do all the cases one by one. So first, bool of true. So true is a direct value. It will be stored in X as true. Print X. So let us execute till here. So put multi-line comment for the remaining cases. So save this program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So py python functions example 12.py. So the answer is true. Now coming to the second case, bool of false. So it is a direct input false, so it will be stored as false in X. Next, third one, bool of 10, non-zero is true. Answer is true. Next, bool of 0, any 0 is false. Okay. Next, bool of 5.6, non-zero, answer is true. Next, bool of 0.0. So 0.0 is a false. Next, bool of high. Any non-empty string is true. So high is true. Next, bool of 0. Even though it is having 0, it is a non-empty string. So the answer is true. Next, bool of empty string. Answer is false. Next, bool of 5 plus 6j. it is true. Non-empty complex number, bool of 0 plus 0 j. So the answer is false. Okay, so it is a 0 complex number. So now coming to the second one, bytes. So it will convert a collection of data as bytes collection. So we'll do all the cases one by one. Bytes of hello, which contains string HELLO. So here I'm passing this as character coding UTF-8. So each character will be converted into bytes collection. Right. So let us print Y, type of Y, and access all the elements of a bytes collection using for loop. For I in Y, print I. So save this and run it. So this is the bytes data which contains hello. It is of type bytes. So if you see here, we got the data as H ASCII code 72, E 101, L L O, corresponding ASCII codes. Okay, let us go for the second case. So bytes of, I'm passing list as input parameter 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So this is a bytes, okay, collection. It is of type bytes, and using the for loop we got 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Okay, so let us go for third case. Bytes of, I'm taking 11, 22, 256, 44, 55. So bytes accept values only from 0 to 255. Okay, so we get a value error. 256 is not allowed. So put comment for this. Next, bytes range of 0 to 10. So 0 to 9 will be converted into bytes. Okay, right. So next, coming to bytes of 5, it will create a empty bytes collection which will be initialized to default values 0. Okay, it will be zeros, all zeros. So this is how we are supposed to work with bytes conversion function, which will convert other collections into bytes collection of data. Now coming to the callable function, it will check whether a given object is callable or not, returns true or false. So let us do all the cases. I'm defining f1 function and printing hello. Importing math module also. So case 1, it goes like this: callable of 10. So 10 is not a callable object, right? It is a immutable object. So answer is false. So next, callable of math dot square root. So square root is a callable object, callable function. So the answer is true. Next, callable of f1. Okay, so f1 is a callable function. Answer is true. So next, callable of list object 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Right, so answer is false. Next, callable of string hello. It is not a callable object, so the answer is false. So this is how we are supposed to work with Python predefined functions, bool, bytes, callable. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.